So, welcome to the Aburi Amanfrom project once again. And in our previous video, I think we started with the electricals, the plumbing works, that's the chiseling and the piping works. And we started with the plastering too. And this is how far we've gotten to. This is the front side of it. Almost everywhere is plastered now. Now we are left with dressing of the windows and the beams and the other side that needed to be dressed. So let's go inside and see what is happening. Okay, the outside here first. Initially there was a door from this side to the hall, but the owner said that he doesn't think it makes sense, and we agree with her, so we have to block this side of it because there's a door here at the main entrance. So this one being here is not necessary, so you have to block it, and that's what we've done. And this is the main entrance, and this is, I think I've gone through this process before. This is the visitors washroom. I think the place is a bit dark, and this is a study or office, and on your left, this is also I think a guest room. Initially the window size here was not equal, so we have to block part of one of the window to get the same size with the other side one, or this one. And this is the washroom for the guest room down here. There's only one room down here, one bedroom down here, and this is the washroom for it. So you see the surface being rough like this, then it tells you this is not a final finishing. There's going to be tiling here. So when you come here too, you have the laundry at this side. There's an exit, and this is the kitchen. So the kitchen too is rough. We are going to tie the kitchen space, and this is the store room. So this is the store room, and this is a dining space, and that's the living space. And there's a balcony here. As you can see, the dressing is ongoing. Almost done with the plastering. Let's go up. This is the stairs leading to the first floor. So when you enter here, this space is the living space. Balustrade will come to this side, and this whole space is a living space. And there's an balcony at the top here. It's an L-shaped balcony. So the pergola is coming here. There's going to be an L-shaped pergola from this side to that side. So this is the master bedroom, and this is the entrance for it. This is the entrance to the balcony. And this is the entrance to the living space. See, this is quite spacious. It's very, very spacious. This master bedroom is very spacious. And there's an walk-in closet here. Walk-in closet here. This pipe is going off. So, and this is the space for the master bath. So it's also rough, which means they are going to tie this wall. And let's go to the other 2 bedrooms here. This is a common space or common area for these 2 bedrooms. And this is their washroom. This is the toilet. And this is the bath. It's also rough. We are going to tie that space. And this is a lobby for it. This is where the wash and basin is coming. And this is one of the bedrooms here. So it remains with the dressing of the windows and this wardrobe wall. And this is another bedroom, quite spacious. So as we are wrapping up, we're trying to tackle all the patches, all the small spaces left around. We have to dress everywhere, and we'll be done with the plastering. So I usually hear people asking of the number of bags you are using for it. It's all about the area. So when you measure, it's measurement. So when you measure, then you get your accurate. As I've said, 2 same design building at a different location and different distance will not give you exactly the same thing, because there are small things. As I've said, the adjustment we did at the down for the closing of some windows, we closed some fan light spaces at the down, and those things. So those one will determine the number of baba. With this particular project, we use over at 220 bags. 220 bags for both outside and inside. And what we do is the outside ratio is always richer than the inside. So the outside ratio, we use 1:4. Then the inside we use 1:5. The reason why we use 1:4 for the outside, because it's exposed to the weather. So you have to make it a little bit richer than the inside. That's why we always use a stronger ratio outside than the inside. So the inside is 1:5 and the outside is 1:4, which means 1 pound of cement, 4 parts of sand, and the inside 1 part of cement, 5 pounds, 5 parts of sand. That's what we use. And the sand is medium. We also use medium. Yes. And we have a float finish, a trowel finish. So you see it being smooth. It's a trowel finish. Yes. So we are on it. We are on it. We are almost wrapping up. So hopefully by close of week, we also work on Sundays, because the boy sleeps here. So we work on Sundays. So as we are tackling the dressing, hopefully by Sunday we'll be done with the dressing. Then we wait for the next instruction from the client, what he wants us to do, whether we are continuing or we hold on for the next instruction. So this is it. And I'm Pele. This is how I sign out for today. Thank you.